So I'm trying to create a foundation for my garden. And as I live on an acre lot, there is a lot of space to fill in. Even though each and every year I buy annuals for my yard, they look beautiful in summers. However, they did not look great in winter months. That's when I realized if you don't choose evergreens for your garden, it won't look good in winter. Welcome to MG Factor. And today I decided to visit my local garden center, the Garden Barn, and have a look at some evergreen plants specifically for my yard so that it looks beautiful all year round. So visited the Garden Barn in early spring, so they don't have a huge selection of flowers, for the summer month as of now, but they have got a huge selection of evergreens. So let's explore what they have today. I'm here to grab some evergreens for me as well. Let me give you a brief introduction about the Garden Barn. It's a retail garden center specializing in good quality annuals, perennials, nursery stock, garden accessories, and outdoor related products. They have been in nursery landscape business since 1981 and are great in customer service. I love shopping here for my gardening needs as the employees are experienced, knowledgeable, friendly, and extremely helpful. They spend time with me to understand my needs and give advice that is appropriate. So as I visited nursery in early spring and hence there's not too many plants that day, I was told they were in the process of getting ready for spring and by next week there will be a large assortment of plants. Nonetheless, I was satisfied as I picked up some evergreens I had in mind and as suggested by the staff. So let's see what we got today. So I bought some boxwood and juniper. So I will be planting those boxwood just right to the entryway, and the juniper will grow on the front of the house on the slopes. So I will make another video, a short video, so that you guys can have a look where I have planted them. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the bell icon so that you get notification of my upcoming videos. Do like, share and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.